Hello everyone, I am Kundan and you are watching my YouTube channel Speak English with Kundan. Now in this video, I am going to teach you a very important lesson. How can you express yourself in English when you are hungry? This secret will improve your ability to speak clearly and logically in English. So are you ready? If you are ready, then let's go. Today in this video, we will learn one vocabulary related to be hungry, one expression related to be hungry, and one idiom related to be hungry. The vocabulary we will learn to express being hungry is that starving. Starving means to feel very hungry. Now I am going to give you three examples. Three example sentences using this word vocabulary are, first one is that I don't know about you but I am starving. I don't know about you but I am starving. It's mean I have no idea about you, you are hungry or not, but if I talk about me, then I am feeling so hungry. So that's why I am saying here I am starving. It's mean I am feeling so hungry. Second one is that we were starving yesterday. That's why we went to a biggest hotel in this town. We were starving yesterday. That's why we went to a biggest hotel in this town. It's mean yesterday we were feeling so hungry. So that's why we were searching here and there, find some place to eat something. Okay, to eat something. So that's why we went to the biggest hotel in this town to complete our stomach. You know, when we feel hungry, then that time we thought we find something to eat. Okay. Third example is that I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. It's mean whole day I have eaten nothing. I have eaten nothing. That's why I am feeling so hungry. Okay, it's mean I am starving. So you can say here I am starving. Whole day I haven't eaten. Whole day I haven't eaten. So I am starving. It's mean you have not eaten anything and you are feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. So I can say I am starving. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we will look at an expression. The expression we will learn to express being hungry is my stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. It's mean your stomach makes some noises when you are hungry. It's mean sometimes you notice that when you are hungry, your stomach started making some noise. It's mean growling. Okay, have you noticed? I have noticed so many times because I'm an English teacher and I used to teach in a school. So whole day, sometimes whole day I live without eating something. Okay, so that's why my stomach started growling. It's mean I started making some noises. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now I am going to give you three example sentences. Three example sentences use this my stomach is growling is. First one is that, first example is that her stomach was growling because she had not eaten all day. It's mean her stomach was making some noises because whole day she was hungry. Okay. Second example is that the woman got a little embarrassed when her stomach started growling when she was in the meeting because she didn't eat anything whole day and she was in the meeting. So during meeting her stomach was started growling. It's mean making some noises. Okay. Third example is that his stomach always seemed to growl in the afternoon. His stomach always seemed to growl. It means seemed to making some noises when he was feeling hungry. And final, we would look at one idiom. That idiom is I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. It's mean you are extremely hungry. you are extremely hungry. So now I am going to give you 3 examples. So 3 example sentences using this idiom is, first example is that I am so hungry I could eat a horse. I am so hungry I could eat a horse. It's mean I can eat anything who can fill my stomach, who can remove my hunger. Okay. Second example is that the little girl told her mother she could eat a horse because she was very hungry. A little girl told to her mother she could eat a horse because she was extremely hungry. Third example is that I don't care what we eat right now. Honestly, I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. It's mean I don't care what we have to eat right now. Anything I can eat right now because I am extremely hungry. I am feeling so much hungry. So that's why I can anything. So you can say extremely hungry. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. Hello everyone. I hope you learned something from this video. So you all are requested, please like this video and share with your friends. And don't forget, subscribe this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and be the best. Bye bye guys.